Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a very quick video, just a demo and then as I say, an update. Even though I haven't reviewed this with you guys, I've nearly run out of this and I thought it would be okay to come out and just talk about this product a little bit and let you know my opinion, my thoughts, and tell you how to use it as well. So this is the Anua 70 plus rice 70 plus ceramides. It's basically a glowing milk toner as it claims, and you can see I've nearly run out of it, basically, as I was saying. I have just washed my face and I am going in with this toner. So first things first, I'll just show you how to use your toner and then I'll talk about the toner because this is going to be a very snappy video. So I'm just basically wetting my face with the toner. I have washed my face and in the process of grabbing the toner, my face dried out a bit. So I thought to just wet it while I'm talking to you. So I've used a lot of toners in the past. I especially love hydrating Milky toners. So this is supposed to be moisturizing Milky toner enriched in rice, brown water, and what have you not. So what are my thoughts on this? I got this as PR, and I must say, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I have used other products, for example, the Anua Heart Leaf and what have you not from Anua, and I absolutely love them. But this one is not something that I will easily go back and repurchase because I found out that it's not as I've used better toners, better hydrating toners in a nutshell. Like, I'm being completely honest. I like to come here and be very honest with you guys. I'm not going to say, oh, I absolutely loved it, this that just to make everyone feel fine. Personally, it's not in my top, it's not something that I would grab as soon as I run out of it because it's just there. It's okay, it's hydrating. It's just, in my opinion, I've used better toners and this is not going to be the first one I'll go for. It's not like that it's broken me out or anything. No, it is very good. However, I've used better toners in a nutshell. In other words, how do you use the toner in your skincare routine? I'm running out of most of my products, so I'm trying to hurry up because I have other things doing. Anyway, how do you incorporate this toner in your skincare routine? You want to start off by washing your face. After washing your face, you can go in with a cotton pad, saturate the toner in the cotton pad and wipe your face. Basically, toners help to get rid of residue from either cleanser or from products that didn't get taken care of, and also prepare the skin for the products that will get on movie in your skincare routine. So it's some people don't really care for toners, but I do care. I love toners because it makes a huge difference in my routine, especially hydrating toners. So with this one, is this something that I can easily repurchase? Honestly, no, I'm not going to repurchase it because I feel like, yes, it says it's milky, but it just looks milky. It is not. It's quite runny. It's quite watery. It's waterier than I would have expected. I would have expected it to be slightly thicker, but to each their own. That's just my thought. That's one of the reasons why I'm not particularly obsessed with it. It's just okay, like I said. And please, let me not deter you from getting it if you're considering getting it. I have used other toners, and like I said in the past, for example, by Oma is quite milky, and that, in my opinion, when you say milky toner, that's the first one I'll think of, and I absolutely love it. And that's about it. So I just thought to come here and update you guys and just let you know my opinion, because not every time I give positive reviews. This review is completely honest and it's not exactly positive, but I feel like it's good to let you guys know. But please let me know in the comment section below if you like this toner, if you swear by it. Please let me know. I'll be more than happy to hear that, and for other people too, to know that I'm not the only one who has issues. No, I don't have issues. Who isn't crazy about it? Do you understand? Because I've seen a lot on social media, but it just didn't wow me. But it's just okay. Clearly, for me to have used it to this point, it will tell you that I'm not reacting to it. It is just okay. It's just that I don't like wasting products, and at this point in time, I have run out of toner, so that's why I want to use it and I want to exhaust it. I do not like wasting. So Anyway, that has to be for today's video. I know it's all over the place, but let me know your thoughts, guys. And with all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.